Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today the topic of my video is to tell you how to propagate the succulents, the easiest way to propagate the succulents. First of all, I'm showing you this succulent of mine, very hardy and old, and it is Graptopetalam or the ghost plant, and it can be easily uh, propagated from leaves in this winter season, late winters you can say, or early springs. You should just select a mature leaf from beneath the rosette. The mature leaves should be selected, and then you just twist the leaf and just you pull it out so that number one, its tip is not to be damaged. Number two, the old leaf or mature leaf is to be taken, and number three, it should be dried, so that dried in shade, so that callus is formed. Callus is a hard covering, so that your leaf just don't it just doesn't rot from the tip by absorbing water moisture. So when callus is formed, the tip doesn't absorb water and doesn't rot. So callus is the most important thing, and after keeping 2 or 3 days in shade, then you can put the leaves in a moderately damp fertile soil. And these leaves, when put in fertile soil, and not just, you don't have to touch them or you don't have to water them often, just see that they are not touched and moved from their place. Just they should be stationary, and you have to just water the soil very slowly, and you don't have to move them or you don't have to touch them, and then they will grow very well and rosette, and even the roots will come out of the leaves, and the old leaf from which the rosette and the roots will be formed, it will perish, and a totally new plant will come from one leaf only. You will get one rosette. And see, I will show you how you can just develop the rosette. See, I have kept these leaves in this pot with moderately damp soil, and they have developed roots and rosette on the top and roots from the bottom, and you can just uh, after few days they will be ready to plant them or repot them, or you can say entirely new plants are developed from the old ones. And it is very easy, and it is the easiest way. You don't have to do anything special, just you have to be patient and keep your plant in a shade, and then you can keep them in a moderately damp soil, and see how roots have also developed and the rosettes have also formed, and these will just come out very well. Please subscribe to my Garden Specialist Hindi channel also, and you get more